Negotiate a contract to purchase a property at a discounted price, especially in the case of real estate wholesaling. It is important for you. Greetings, fellow real estate investor. It's a pleasure to have you back on my channel. In today's sessions, we are immersing ourselves in the realms of wholesale real estate. If you are intrigued by this captivating strategy, and if you are seeking an avenue to venture into real estate with limited initial capital, you are in for a treat. So join me as we explore why wholesale real estate is an enticing option and uncover the compelling reasons why investors are drawn to this approach. Plus, I will guide beginners with modest budgets through a step-by-step process that showcases how wholesale real estate can not only generate substantial income but potentially replacing the traditional 9-to-5 job. Before we get started, if you are new here, be sure to become a part of our community by hitting that subscribe button and enable the notification bell for future upcoming videos. I'm Korianne, and I cannot wait to dive deeper into my real estate investment journey with all of you. I feel incredibly thankful to have engaged in wholesale property investment alongside with seasoned investors across various real estate markets. Through this experience interactions, I have gained insights into their motivation and grasped the fundamental process of wholesaling real estate. Today, I'm excited to pass on this knowledge to you. Let's first review the parties involved in the wholesale real estate transactions. There is a seller who is a property owner. There is a buyer who wants to be the new owner of the property. In between the seller and buyer, there is an agent who finds the deals, get the property under a contract, finds a buyer, reassign the contract to a buyer, and when the transaction is closed, this agent collects his or her fee for the service. This agent is sometimes called the wholesaler or wholesale investor. This video focuses from this wholesaler perspective. By the way, unlike flipping real estate, a wholesaler does not make any renovations or carries no costs. I created this video because I oftentimes have been asked how someone can start it in real estate investing with limited money. So with that, let's dive into the topic from the perspective of wholesaler. Why wholesale real estate? Before we jump into the details, let's explore why investors are drawn to wholesale real estate. Here are some of the reasons. Number one, quick turnaround. Wholesaling allows investors to flip properties faster than traditional methods. As stated earlier, unlike a real estate flipper, a wholesaler does not make any renovation or carry no cost. Number two, low capital requirement. A wholesaler puts a property under contract and make money by reselling the right to the contract to a buyer. So you as the wholesaler don't need to purchase the property, making it a lower risk options. Note time, the wholesaler still need some capital to invest in marketing in order to find motivate seller and buyer for the eventual transaction. Number three is profit potential. Smart wholesaling can lead to substantial profit with the right deals. When you do wholesale in big commercial projects, you can earn up to 6 figures per deal. Number four, networking opportunity. Engaging in real estate wholesaling often open doors to establish valuable connections within the real estate industry, including buy and hold investor, fix and flip investor, banks, lenders, attorney, and contractors. All right, now that we understand the why, let's break down the how. Here is an overview of wholesaling process. Step number one, find the motivated seller. Locate the homeowners who are motivated and prefer to sell quickly. A motivated seller is a property owner who is eager or motivated to sell the property quickly. There could be various reasons behind this motivation, such as financial difficulties, relocations, a desire to avoid foreclosure, a property repairs become overwhelming, or change in life circumstances. Motivated sellers are often more flexible in negotiations and may be willing to sell the property at a discounted price in exchange for a faster transaction. Step number 2 is negotiate the contract. Negotiate a contract to purchase the property at a discounted price, especially in the case of real estate wholesaling. It is important for you as the potential buyer to carefully listen and to truly understand the seller priority in the transaction so you can negotiate a successful deal that meets the seller needs while securing yourself a deal. Step number 3 is secure a buyer. Find an investor who's interested in purchasing the property. A buyer may be an investor with available funds for investments, commonly known as a cash buyer. Alternatively, they could be a fix and flip investor capable of obtaining a hard money loan to renovate the property to meet market standards. Subsequently, they intend to sell it on the open market for the profitable return. Step number 4, assign the contract. Assign your right to the contract to the buyer for a fee. The fee varies based on the property project size and value. For some of the wholesale property that I have acquired, the fee can be anywhere between $5,000 to $40,000. The last process is closing. The buyer complete the purchase and agree upon price, and you collect the fee. Let me give you a short example to paint the picture. Imagine a scenario where a wholesaler, let's say called Alex, identify a motivated seller who wants to quickly sell their property. Alex negotiates a deal with a seller to purchase the property for $150,000, which is significantly lower than the market value due to the seller urgency. At the same time, Alex knows another real estate investor, Ben, who specializes in the fix and flip property. Ben is interested in purchasing the property to renovate and resell. Alex offered to assign the contract to Ben for a fee of $20,000. Ben agreed because even after paying $20,000 to Alex, he still had room to make a profit after renovating and resell the property. Alex prepared an assignment contract, which essentially transferred their rights to purchase the property to Ben. This contract includes the original purchase price of $150,000. When the deal closed, the title company or attorney handling the transaction ensure that the property is transferred directly from the motivated seller to Ben. As a result, Alex earned a profit of $20,000 without ever owning or renovating the property. Ben gets the property to fix and flip, and the motivated seller achieves a quick sale. This is simplified the representation of how a wholesale investor can assign a contract to earn a significant fee in the real estate transactions. Thinking of diving into wholesaling as a new investor who have limited funds or no money to invest, then it's a very good strategy for you to consider mastering the skill. Here is a simplified step-by-step approach to get started. Step number 1, educate yourself. Learn the ins and outs of wholesaling through books, online courses, and real estate forums. Number 2, network. Build relationship with local investors, real estate agents, and mentors. Number 3, identify a target area. Choose a specific market for your wholesaling endeavors. Number 4, find motivated sellers. Utilize direct mails, online marketing, and networking to find potential sellers. Number 5, analyze the deals. Learn to evaluate properties quickly to determine their wholesale potential. Number 6, negotiation skills. Hone your negotiation skill to secure the favorable deals with seller and buyer. Number 7, market to buyers. Cultivate a list of potential buyers for your wholesale deals. These are buy and hold investor and fix and flip investor. So you ask, how long does a wholesale deal takes? The timeline for the wholesale deal can vary. On average, from finding motivated seller to closing may take anywhere from a few weeks to 6 months. Efficiency and experience play a significant role in expediting the process. The next point that I want to talk about is finding a mentor. Finding a mentor can greatly accelerate your learning curve in wholesaling. I do believe in mentorship, as I gain a lot of valuable knowledge learning from a few great mentors who helped me build both of my business from the ground up in a short period of time. Without their wisdom and coaching, my business would take longer to take off. Find a mentor who has been working in the same field for at least 10 plus years. Here is how to find one. At real estate meetups, attend local meetups to connect with experienced investors, online communities, join real estate forums and groups where mentors may be willing to guide you. Networking, build relationship with seasoned investors who are open to mentoring. Offer values, show your dedication by helping in exchange for knowledge. And there you have it, the overview of wholesale real estate strategy. Remember, wholesaling can be an exciting and profitable venture, but it does require learning, persistence, and building the strong network. I know a few successful real estate investors who started out in real estate wholesaling because they had little money then, and now they own a very good sized real estate portfolio. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumb up, subscribe to my channel, and share it with fellow real estate investors. And as always, share your thoughts and questions in the comment below. I personally read all your comments and will respond to them. Until next time, successful investing, let's learn, invest, and make an impact. Ciao!